Welcome all. Today we are going to learn Stream API. In this tutorial series, we will be discussing Streams API in details. In this first video, we will learn to initiate streams from primitive data types and collections. In the following videos, we will cover usage of intermediate and terminal operators of stream. In the end, we will go through the interview questions and answers for the streams. First of all, we will learn what is a stream and how to initialize them. A stream is a collection of objects. Stream API provides methods to process a stream. A stream is not a data structure. Streams never modifies the underlying data source. Let's see an example. We are going to see how we can initiate a stream of strings. To declare to a stream, we need to use stream keyword and specify the data type of the stream. To initialize the stream, we will use a function provided by stream class. We can provide the input values to the of function. Let me add few strings here. Let's do some operations on stream. Stream class provide us for each function. The for each function is used to perform an operation on each element of the stream. This function takes a lambda expression as an input. Let's write a lambda expression to print all the strings. Let me run our program and show you the output. And we can see all the strings printed on the terminal. Let me clear the old code. Now we will see how to create a stream of integers. We can create an integer stream in a similar way, and we will use the same of function again. I am adding some random integers to our stream. Again, we will use for each function to print all the elements of the stream. Let me fix this variable names first. Now I can show the output of our program. All the input integers are printed on the terminal. We can create a stream of double and long in the exact same way. Now let's use the int stream class to create an integer stream. This is a wrapper class provided by the Stream API. Let me add a few integers to our stream. Let's fix this too. Finally, let's execute and see our program's output. Now we will see how to initiate a stream from an array and collections. Here I have already created an employee class. An employee has his ID and name. First we will create a list of employees. I am initializing this list as array list. Let me add a few employees in our list. Now, we can declare our stream and initiate it. I am naming the stream as employee stream. To initialize this stream, we can simply call stream function on list interface. And we are done here. We have successfully created our employee stream. Let's print all employee names. Let's run our code and see if it prints all of the employees' name. Now we can try to use Streams API on a hash set. Let me change this code and use a hash set instead. Again, we have used the same method, that is stream function from collection interface to initialize our stream. Let's run our code again. Let's move ahead. Now we can try to create streams from arrays. First we will declare an employee array. Then we can add an employee in each index of the array. I am adding Harry, Ron, and Fred as our employees. Here we cannot directly create stream from arrays. But we can use stream function from arrays class. This static method takes an array as an input and returns a stream of the input array. Let me run our code. Remember, stream never modify the underlying collection or array. It provides us a better way to perform certain operations on a collection or array. That's it for today. We will explain how to perform different operations on stream in our next video. Until then, see you, happy coding. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to our channel.